Welcome to the course. We are at the first part of the course and we will be deciding what features to include in the project. This step of the process is very necessary to avoid the mess in our app and to keep things clear initially. We can use any kind of software to finalize the feature of the application. I personally like to use Notion, so we will be using it for this specific video. So let's hop in on the desktop. So we are on a page right now. In the private section, I'm gonna create a page, name it to do application for the sake of the tutorial, and I'm going to create a header right now. Now this is the way I like to do it. You can do it according to your preference as you feel comfortable. This is the way that I like personally feel very comfortable with. So I'm going to write application here. Now I'm going to include all the features which I think is necessary for application, which is necessary for my project in in this case. So I'm going to create a list and I'll enter application. I want application handler. I want my application to be handled in a particular way. So yeah, I'm looking forward to to add application handler. I am looking forward to add a custom taskbar which looks more good and has more control over application than any other application. I mean, than any other your Windows taskbar. Then I like to add a section for login as well. So now, what features I want to add to login? First of all, login should have something like making logins, which is the least basic feature that login page has. This might be funny, but yeah, this is really important. And then save previous logins. Another great feature because user will have less hassle to do it. Now I'll add another section which is called as registration. Actually, this should go behind like login, but yeah, I'm dumb. So I'm gonna add registration. Shit, my spelling's wrong. I'll correct it. Okay, fine. Now, what features I want to add is like make registration. And now the second feature that I want to add is like create a database for a specific user. I have to save specific things for the specific user in a specific database of his. So yeah, this is one of my goals of registration. I have my goal set up for logins, and now I have to make something for to-do list. So I'm gonna add a header and I'm gonna set it like I want to add some features for to-do list. So I'm gonna list all the features that I would like to have on to-do list, which is like to add task. This like is the most basic feature that you can ever have. Logout feature, and then a dark mode. It would be cool to add a dark mode on our to do application. Now these are all the features that I would love to include in my project, and yes, I'm gonna add a little emoji of to do here. uh Tick, I guess I'll add a tick here so that it will look like a little prettier. I'll add a cover to make it very presentable actually. So I had like a peace of mind to do it. Now that's all set up. These are the features that we are going to implement for this specific application. This might not be a lot and completely basic, but this will make sure that we are programming and being in the scope of the project. That is all that we have to do it in the initial part of the software. Once these all are set, now you know what exactly you want to do. We are ready to move forward with the next part of the course. Till then, I'll catch you up in the next part. Bye bye.